How to delete your Reddit account permanently. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Reddit on your device. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on Settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on Account Settings at the top, which is the first option in Settings. Then, in here, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find Delete Account option. Click on Delete Account. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Yes Delete, which is the first option. After you've clicked on Yes Delete, your account will be deleted. As you can see, account deleted. And this is how to delete your Reddit account permanently. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.